Y'all, this Goodwill was just so wow. Dude looks so annoyed.
Yeah.
This is amazing! I'm excited. And I got my cowboy hat on. Or is it a cowgirl hat?
Cowboy.
Cowboy. What's your verdict? Better than Chick-fil-A?
The pickles are bomb.
Oh.
Better pickles than Chick-fil-A.
Better pickles than Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
I got the spicy, got the regular. Today was literally one of the best days ever. Ugh. So happy, such good vibes, literally from start to finish. We started our morning a little bit late. We didn't get actually going to around 12 o'clock or so, but it was so much fun. It was so exciting, and we stopped at our one of our local Goodwills. And when I tell y'all that I found so many amazing things, you are going to freaking freak. So let's dive in. I wanted to do a big haul because I'm just so dang excited. So grab your OJ, your drinkity drink, your thing that you do, and let's get into it. First off, I want to start off with this cute little package here. So freaking cute. This whole thing was $2.99, and it came with a set of 4 glasses. Like, these things are brown, as you can tell. I freaking love the color brown. I just love really good glassware. You can't find good, cool, unique glassware like you used to. So to me, this was like, I'm all for it. I'm all for it. And $2.99 for a set of 4, that's insane. One of my favorite things ever was this crazy candle holder. It is nuts and just vibrant and huge, and I love every single thing about it. It is just screaming my name. I've been obsessed with collecting candlestick holders, and this is just because I've just been so into the gold tones and the brassies, and this is just so much color, and I literally love it. Today, I really felt like people were just creeping hard at the thrift store, and like everywhere we went, I just felt like there was like just someone creeping. But I was kind of creeping hard too, because there was this guy that picked up this thing, and I was like, I gotta have it. And thankfully he put it down. But this thing here, it's just so freaking cool. It's just like a wooden kind of mushroom. Another one of my favorite things was this freaking super neat, super kind of odd candle. Jerome absolutely hated this. He's like, we don't need this. That's disgusting. We don't need it. Yeah, I absolutely love this. Again, with these candlestick holders, I am obsessed. I would love to say I'm a collector. Very, very new novice collector, but I definitely am a collector, and this is gorgeous. It is big, it is huge, it's got some weight to it, and I love the color. It's just something that I just had to have, and I love the handle on it. It's very Sherlock Holmes vibes. I love it, and fucking, it's just $5.99. This was pretty pricey. This was a little bit higher than my price range, but it just was so sturdy. I'm like, oh, I had to have it. Did I say again with the candle holders I meant round 3 or 4 or 5 or however many freaking candle holders I've done today? But look at this baby. It is the cutest ceramic. I love the color. I love the blue. I love, it's just, I really, really enjoy it. I just think it's so neat. I love how it's crafted. It's got a nice, good, just sturdy kind of just look to it. It just brings texture, it brings volume, and it's so cool. Next, I got this super weird head thing. It's super strange. It's all glass. It's definitely gloss, and my Scorpio fiance reminded me that it's gloss and it's going to be hard to paint on, because ultimately what I would love to do is I would love to paint this along with the mushrooms and I'm not sure what else, but I want to start I've painted on clothes, but I also just want to start painting just everything in my life that I can. And right now we live in an apartment, and so I'm like really uneasy about painting a wall or even just putting in like all floating shelves, just because it's not ours, and it just makes me so nervous. My anxiety's so high. So I figure, like, why not paint on really cool objects and just see how that goes and kind of have an immersive art experience. Another one of my favorites was this brass bucket thing. It is absolutely stunning. I love the details of the lion and just the hook. It's just so cool, and I love that it kind of has like it kind of comes in at the bottom. It's not just like one dimension. And this was $5.99 as well. Again, with the high prices, I feel like Goodwill's been on a roll with the high prices. But I really, really liked it, and I just figured like it's worth it. It's speaking to me. I need it. Y'all, this Goodwill was just so wow. Then lastly, I ended up snagging these super cool kind of tin, I don't know, like little holder things. They're not really like buckets or baskets, but they're like storage organization. Well, that's what I'm gonna use them for. They're just so cool, and there was 2 of them, so I just feel like I had to get them. I love things in sets. 2, I just love the number 2. It was my high school volleyball number. I hate myself. But this was just so cool, and I love the vibe. I feel like I'm gonna use them in my laundry room to kind of like bring together a nice aesthetic, because we have those weird kind of apartment brackets in the laundry room, so I kind of want to just give them like more structure, more texture. I feel right now our apartment is like super kind of bohemian vibes, and I really want it to be kind of modern meets artist type vibes, a lot of kind of immersive experience art, things like that. I'm excited to show you along the process, especially with our new little series coming up called This Is Home, which is something just super exciting. It's just going to be about literally everything home and all the things that we've bought for our home thus far, where we're shopping, what we're doing, and we've kind of been working on that already through these little thrifting kind of exploration. Everything home, a look into, what we love, and maybe y'all love it too, and we would love suggestions as well. So just a big kind of caring, open, loving community of just all things home, which will just like lead into just so many other things, like this is finance. I really do want to kind of my financial goals, how we're going debt free, how I've paid off all of my debt except for my student loans. But that's like a whole other topic that I definitely want to talk about. So it's just going to kind of open the door to a lot of fun, exciting times. So this is home. I'm excited. I hope y'all enjoy. Stay tuned for what's to come, because we're going to have a whole bunch of furniture reveals, a whole bunch of just how I style things reveals, and just how just home is, and life, and plants, and money, and the law of attraction, how you can have everything you want, and how this guy is the greatest thing in my world.
Sit.
What?
Mikey.
Gosh, you're an old man now.
Sit.